Good morning, respected Principal Sister Hazel, teachers, and all my dear friends. A very warm welcome to each one of you to our very first online assembly conducted by Class 10th A. We have been eagerly waiting for the school to reopen, but let us not forget to be grateful for what we have and what has been given to us. Helen Keller once said, "When one door of happiness closes, another opens." But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. So let us look at the bright side. With this small note, I would like to invite my friend Lakshita to say the morning prayer, followed by Lisha, Saria, and Roshni A to read from the Holy Scriptures.
Kindly join your hands and close your eyes and repeat the prayer after me. God our Father, we thank you for this new day. Thank you for the gifts of our parents, teachers, and friends. Help us to be grateful in every way as we learn to be trustworthy, respectful, responsible, just, and caring citizens of today. Watch over us as we explore and learn joyfully. Bless our family, our country, and our world. This prayer we make in your most precious name. Amen.
A reading from the Holy Bible. Behold, I will bring to it health and healing, and I will heal them and reveal to them abundance of prosperity and security. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
A reading from the Holy Quran. The Lord has sent down in the Quran such things that have healing and mercy for the believers. And when I am ill, it is the Lord who restores me and declares that this holy book is a healing and guidance for the believers.
A reading from the Holy Bhagavad Gita. Dukesham Anudvignan Mana Sukesu Vitara Spravitaragam Bayam Krodam Sitara Di Muni. Meri suna Pantopakari suna Prabhu suna Pakari Prabhu suna Pakari.
भजन मेरे मन मेरे सुनो मन तू पुकारे सुनो प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे भजन मेरे मन मेरे सुनो मन तू पुकारे सुनो प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे.
All actions results from thoughts, so it is the thought that matters. If you realize how powerful your thoughts are, you would never think a negative thought. So, I would like to call Meenakshi for the thought of the day.
Thought for the day. Safety from corona is hidden in corona word itself. C stands for clean your hands. O stands for off from gathering. R stands for raise your immunity. O stands for only sick to wear mask. N stands for no to handshake. A stands for avoid rumors. Stay alert, stay healthy, beautiful life.
Kindly place your right hand on your chest for the pledge. I commit myself to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all the necessary precautions to prevent the spread of the deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, especially in public places. To maintain a distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands thoroughly and frequently with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Now, let us watch a Corona awareness dance. forgetting something? November 1st, Kannada Rajyotsava. Now I would like to invite Ganavi to talk about Kannada Rajyotsava.
ಎಂತಾದರಿರು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರು ಎಂದು ಮೆಲುಕು ಹಾಕುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಅಥವಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1ರಂದು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. 65ನೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಸಂಭ್ರಮದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಚರಿಸಲು ಸಕಲ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಗಳು ನಡೆದಿವೆ. ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನದ ಸಂಕೇತವಾದ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಬಾವುಟದ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕತೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೋಚಕ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಚತುರಿದ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಎಂದು ನಾಮಕರಣ ಮಾಡಿದ ದಿನ. ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನದಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣ, ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಗಳು, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನಗಳು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತವೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿರದೆ ಕನ್ನಡವು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕನ್ನಡ ಎಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡವು ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿ ಉಳಿಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Now that we know about Kannada Rajyotsava, let's begin the celebration, which is presented by Apurva and Roshni Arun.
ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧದ ಮರಳಿ ಕುಡಿಯುವ ನೀ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಕನ್ನಡವ